Positive feedbacks continue to be received by the PNP on its checkpoint operations for the coming midterm elections, and some suggest that this be extended even after the political exercise in May this year. Here's Alvin Baltazar.
Few days after the Philippine National Police intensified its checkpoint operations in connection with the start of the election ban, no dispute seemed to have heard from the public. As far as Juan de la Cruz is concerned, if there would be any disagreement from such security measure, it would certainly emanate from lawless elements themselves who can be found everywhere and are just waiting for the right time to execute their evil plans.
Mas maganda kasi yung ganun kasi mauso na sa atin yung mga marami na may mga baril na nagdadala. Lalo nga yung mga yung riding in tandem. Mas maganda na yung ganun yung may checkpoint.
Sana paglaganap na rin yung mga operation nila. Hanggang kung saan marap na nila para makita lahat.
As majority favors such police operation, the public appeals to concerned police observe courtesy on those who are undergoing security check procedures.
Ay dapat lang. Kasi trabaho nila yan Dapat may respeto at saka magpatagalin ng checkpoint kasi abala yan
Some even expressed longingness to continue in carrying out checkpoint operations even after the election ban. That would end on June 12. For some, checkpoint operations should also be conducted during daytime.
Mas gusto mo ba hanggang election lang? O magbibigay tapos sa election, ituloy na yung checkpoint
Mas
operation?
maganda kung tuloy-tuloy na yan kasi para din naman sa atin yan.
Yung sinasabi natin para sa kabutihan ng tao, macheck na mabuti. Maski bago, pwede.
At present, according to the PNP leadership, they have been receiving positive feedbacks in line with the ongoing implementation of checkpoint. The PNP assures that all the needed procedures are being observed, including their being well-mannered and courteous.
Sabi nga nila magagalang naman daw yung ating mga kapulisan at with respect to that, ito naman din talaga yung guidance natin sa ating mga PNP units.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.